In this video, let's explore the Strategy Builder in Options. Strategy Builder empowers you to build a multiple leg strategy by inputting your own strike price and buy or sell for each leg. Once you land on the page, you will be shown a default bull call spread in Nifty. Simply click the Reset button to clear the data and start adding your strategy by using the Add button. Once you've entered your parameters, hit the Analyze button. You will be able to view the Payoff Chart on both the expiry date and target date if you toggle the target date to day to expiry sliding bar at the bottom. It adjusts the Payoff Chart automatically. You can also look at the expected range in the selected index/stock by the means of 1 and 2 standard deviation shaded areas on the chart. Change the option Greeks to see the impact on the option pricing in the table itself. It gets auto-updated once you modify the pre-populated data, and at the bottom, the strategy data covering investment amount, max profit, max loss, etc. are displayed. Once you analyze the strategy and lock it, simply click the Trade button to manually place the order to your broker, or click on the Auto Trade to allow Modern Algos' robust trading API to place the orders for you automatically and track them throughout the day based on the profit or loss value defined by you. If you wish to carry forward the trade and track automatically, please log in every day until your position is closed. Happy hedging with Modern Algos.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.